expressway.
Yeah, it's the expressway.
Oh, see, DHAKA, Mawa. Yeah,
That's so cool.
bitches. We need that. We're here in the port area.
Yes, and we're crossing the river Ganges.
Padma. Otherwise, people are gonna show you no mercy.
No, it's the Ganges River. It's bigger than Padma.
Padma is the Ganges in Bangla.
It's Ganges. It springs as Ganges in Tibet, it goes through India as Ganges, it finishes as Ganges.
Yeah, but in Bangla is Padma. Take that with the tens of thousands of people who told us
Come
that.
on, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, sure.
Boom shakalaka.
Where should we go? Should we go somewhere?
I
Try to
think
get
that
the
one.
toast?
Like chaiwala.
Chaiwala? Hi. Okay, sure. What? Why?
If we're going for food.
Okay. Let's go get
We
some
are here
food.
at the river and we're wanting to get some food.
You want to sit and eat or?
No, just grab and eat.
Grab and eat.
Grab and eat.
Okay.
Alright. Fish and all sorts of fish stuff.
Oh wow. Okay.
There's the live fish.
Live fish.
We need the dead fish.
And hopefully not too dead. We are here at the Padma Bridge and we're trying to get some food. So let's see what they have. Oh wow.
Those you need with rice, right? To have it.
No, there is rice and other
Oh wow.
pangas. That's another fish.
What
I'm
is
so
it?
hungry right now. I could die.
Yeah, you can just sit there and you just check them out and you just going to order.
Okay.
See what you like.
Yeah, but I don't know. I would like to have some shrimps and some fish, like fried fish and the shrimp.
So you can get some fried that thing. That one prepared.
Yeah, the fried fish and then this one. I think this goes with rice, right?
Of course.
Okay, so one with rice and this, and we can eat it there. And
Sure.
okay, look, food. Hey, you guys are eating here as also? No, no problem. You're eating here also, right? Okay, good. So we're eating here and staying here.
Okay.
Choose your destiny. Till we get the other food.
What other food?
So I want to get some fried fish and some those kind of shrimps. Or
Okay,
prawns.
so these kind of prawns. Okay, sure.
Yes, the prawns and the fish and the.
I hope the ferry doesn't come and go before we.
No, I want to have the fish and the stuff.
Okay, sure.
Because last time I couldn't.
Sure. Hi. That's beguni, right?
Yes.
I want some beguni.
All right.
Fish looks very good.
Very tasty.
Oh, I want to try.
Fish tastic.
Yes, I want to have some fish and some shrimp.
You should have. You have to try this one.
Yes. I think 2 piece or 3 piece. What do you want, Gigi?
I would like a beguni.
This is my friend from Nigeria.
Oh, that's so cool. What's your name, bro?
What's your name? Tell me. Tell her.
Arif.
I'm from Nigeria.
So cool. When did you come to Bangladesh?
We love Bangladesh.
You love Bangladesh.
Bangladeshi people, food, cultures, all the things.
What's your name, brother?
My name is Masood Rana.
Masukran.
I'm local here.
Oh, great. I'm Gigi, by the way, from Romania.
Romania, all
Yeah.
right. It's a beautiful country.
It is.
You like Bangladesh?
Yes, I love Bangladesh.
I think you'll enjoy.
I hope so. Yes, of course. We've been enjoying it for some weeks already. We've been here and there. And now we're the first time we came here.
I've got friends from US as well over there. He's waiting for the food.
That's so good, man. The fish is really tasty here, I think. Just straight away from the river.
Most tasty fish.
No. Oh, wow.
You'll enjoy them.
That's amazing. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Or egg begoni.
Egg beguni. That's all I want. If I eat more, I'm gonna.
Punch fish or egg begoni. जी? धन्यवाद. Punch. Yes, punch. Punch fish or egg begoni.
All right. What about the shrimp?
Shrimp, that one.
That one.
Yeah, I'll have from him.
People are trying to help me, but I can manage.
I don't know if you can. You have like you're walking around with
I'm
the
walking
platter of
with my
balls.
You know, you get a seat for yourself.
Okay.
No, we can.
There. Or there, on the other side.
We can work together.
No. Go and sit. Wait for us there. No, that will be better for all of us.
Wow.
মামা আমাদের পাশে একটু মোটামুটি ভাইজান আছে, অনেক ভাইজান আবার অনেক নরম রেখে দেয়, একটু হালকা বেশি ভাইজান, আবার কড়কড়া বানাইছিলেন ভাইজান।
One of the things that. What?
After the food,
Of course.
sure.
Yeah?
All right.
Lebu wala cha.
Yes, lebu wala chai. Yes,
Ji.
agreed. I want
Acha.
lebu wala chai.
One meatball.
That's not meatball.
No, you don't have it that way.
It's spicy.
like it?
Yes.
All right.
How do you have it?
You eat it with
Rice.
Okay, but I was hungry. This is spicy, so I'm happy. Hey.
You eat it with rice. Okay.
Well, I ate it like this because I'm hungry.
Okay.
I will wait till the rice will come.
Sure. Let's see. Like the guys are moving pretty fast.
Yes. And,
I was speaking earlier with a guy.
the
like,
fish is being made right now. It looks amazing. I mean,
It looks
the guy,
amazing.
the guy who makes this fish, I don't know how.
No.
It's like
You should give me
proper
the credit.
skill. Yes, has proper
I
skill.
deserve the credit.
Yes, she deserves the credit because she helped us order the fish. I told him how many I want, and she said, "Make it like this." Just zabardast.
That's so cool.
Okay, let's see how the fish is gonna look like, and we're gonna get the fish.
Let's get a fish, man. Holy, what's going on? What is this?
We get someone
What is
here.
this? This is the beguni and the fish and the shrimp and all this stuff. Man,
Looks amazing.
looks amazing. Enjoy, guys.
Oh, go.
Please.
Can I get a tissue? No,
Sure.
wipe it off with tissue.
Why? It's like,
Wipe it off with a tissue. I'm gonna.
you underestimate my stomach a lot.
Whoa.
Then let's start it and see how much we can do. Macarena.
Are you having everything together?
Yes.
Why?
Why not?
Understand the taste.
I will. I eat from this, I eat from this, I eat from this, I eat from this.
Why?
Yeah, this is what I do. Mmm. Good rice. Good shrimp. Curry place thingy. Let me check the shrimp. The shrimp quality. Dead. Like I like it.
Eat the bharta with the rice after the shrimp.
For shrimp. And the number one. Mmm. Juice. Very good. Gigi, you should try the shrimp, it's amazing.
I will. I might try it. Like, it looks. Oh my.
No?
Oh, schnitzels.
And get some of the rice things.
It's okay. It's okay. Things. I don't like too many things in my. Too many tastes at once.
Neither do I.
Very good.
You like it? Olive?
The shrimp is amazing. Especially the head. Best part.
What about the fish?
Let me try the begoni first. And the begoni is like
This is not begoni. This is begun bhaji.
begon bhaji.
Begoni is different.
Okay.
Begoni is with flour, baked with.
Oh yes,
Fried.
fried.
I will try that.
I love beguni.
So this is like getting fried zucchini. So it's good. Let's see the fish. The main thing. Oh, really? Holy mother of fish. Very good fish. And now finally I can try properly the cheese ball. The fish ball. The fish ball.
Fish ball.
Black fish ball. I think this is
Dry fish.
dry fish. Good fish. Very good fish.
Isn't it too flavorful?
The dry fish.
Yes.
Yeah. Takes a while to get used to it, but then the spiciness kicks in, so it washes away all the bad memories.
Okay.
30, ওকে আর ভাত 100 ঠিক আছে অর্ধেক খাইছে
অর্ধেক খাইছি।
অর্ধেকের বেশি খাই মানে শেষ পর্যায়ে যেগুলো 3 পিস 4 পিস
ইয়ে করে ধরেন, এত টাকা করে যায় আসলে।
বর্তমানে 7 পিস
ভাতগুলো একসাথে করতেছে।
ঠিক আছে ভাজি একটা 30 পানি একটা
ভাজি নাইলে তো
আচ্ছা পানি ভাজি ভাত একটা ভাত ওকে ভাত দিছি 950
ভর্তা ভর্তা
ভর্তা 140 টাকা দাম হয়ে যায় দেখছেন দেখছেন
স্বাভাবিক, তো আপনারা তো বলছি দাঁড়ায়
140 কিসে?
আমি বলি
60টা কত?
20টা পিস 9টা মাছ 9টা করে কইছেন না
9টা মাছ?
5টা দিলে 60টা 9টা করে কইছেন না 7 ন কোথায়
Some very intense negotiation happening.
আমি
Yes.
বলি
Clarification.
মেজার করছি আপনি শুনেন
আমি দিতেছি।
হ্যাঁ বাদে
অর্ধেক
বাদ 100 বেগুন 4 পিস 80 টাকা
80 টাকা বেগুন কত?
হ্যাঁ শুনেন আবার ভর্তা 60টা 20টা পিস 7 14 ঠিক আছে আর পানিও নাই বাজিও নাই ঠিক আছে 950 টাকা হয়েছে ম্যাডাম
900 টাকা দিচ্ছি।
কেন
So how much do you have?
Like
100
this.
টাকা দেন। 100 টাকা দেন, প্লিজ সাইডে যে একটু টাকা দিতাম ওইটা আর পাবেন না, সমস্যা নাই না, 950 রাখেন।
না না ম্যাডাম আপনি আমার সাথে এমন করে গেলেন
950
আমরা
শেষ,
এই যে
ওই তো 50 টাকা
এই যে আমার
ভাগাভাগি
আপু
করে
এই যে
নেন,
এই যে আমাদের ম্যাডাম এই যে
কোনো
ধরে না
সমস্যা
Bye. Food very tasty. Onik
Onik
moja.
moja.
Thank you. Thank you, bye.
It's all right.
Thank
See you
you.
again, huh?
See you. Yes, sure.
Okay.
That's so nice.
Did you take everything?
Yes.
No,